Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to your English lesson. For this week, we're going to be focusing on the topic grammar. Selamat datang semua. Minggu ni kita belajar pasal grammar, tata bahasa. Okay, so this is the table of contents. Ini ialah isi kandungan lesson kita hari ini. There are 4 parts in total. Ada 4 bahagian secara keseluruhan. Let's check out the first one, the introduction. Okay, please read these 2 sentences right here. Sila baca 2 ayat ni. Number 1, Grandpa sits near the window. Number 2, Grandpa sitting near the window. Alright, Grandpa sits near the window and Grandpa sitting near the window. Mula-mula baca 2 ayat ni and then ada 2 benda yang kamu kena buat. Number 1, you need to identify the verbs of the sentences provided. So kamu kena kenal pasti verbs dalam ayat-ayat yang teacher bagi. Ayat dekat sini, yang mana satu verb dia? Okay, cuba cari. Is it grandpa? Is it sits? Is it near? Is it the? Or is it window? Okay, tuliskan verb yang terdapat dalam dua-dua ayat ni. Alright, number 2. What tenses have been used and how they differ in meaning? Maksud dia, apakah jenis ayat yang dipakai dan macam mana 2 ayat ni berbeza maksud dia. Okay, now kamu kena kenal pasti dulu tenses yang dipakai. For example, is it in present tense or past tense, past progressive, present progressive, continuous. You kena cari dia jenis tense yang mana and then bagi tahu macam mana beza ayat ni 2. Okay, maksud dia. Contohnya, Grandpa sits near the window ni maksud dia macam mana, and Grandpa sitting near the window maksud dia macam mana. Apa yang menyebabkan dia berbeza? Okay, please tell me. Write this in your book and also the answer. This is your warmer activity. Okay, now if you want to make this task easier, you can go ahead and refer to your book from last year. That's correct. The last chapter last year, we did tense review, where we review all types of tenses, the present, the past and future. Kalau nak senang lagi buat kerja ni, boleh tengok nota kamu daripada tahun lepas. Yang unit 9 kita ada tengok jenis-jenis ayat yang kita dah belajar daripada form 1 sampai form 2 sampai habis. Okay, kita ada present, kita ada past and kita ada future. So ayat dekat 2 ayat yang teacher bagi tadi, jenis yang mana? Present simple ke? Present continuous ke? Past simple ke? Past continuous? Atau present perfect? Atau ayat will? Atau ayat be going to? You tell me. Okay, jawab soalan ni, nombor 2 ni. Boleh tengok jadual sini. Okay, I don't have the answers here, but you already have it, right? Okay, that's the first part. Now let's get right on to the first task. Read the sentences below. Match each sentence with one use of the present simple. Okay, kamu baca ayat-ayat ni semua dekat bawah ni. Kemudian kamu padankan setiap ayat ni dengan penggunaan present simple yang betul. Okay, with one use of the present simple. Contohnya, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, his parents work at the bank. We have a dance class next week. The English drinks a lot of tea. Okay, so dekat sini kamu tengok ayat pertama. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So which one is it? Is it A, habits and repeated actions, habit ataupun perbuatan yang berulang, or is it B, permanent situations, keadaan yang tetap, or is it C, scientific facts, fakta sains, or is it D, future actions based on timetables and schedules? Okay, perbuatan akan datang berdasarkan jadual yang ada. Okay, so water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Yang mana satu benda tu? kamu tulis nombor ni dalam kurungan yang dekat tepi dia, okay? Alright, so that's your first task. Let's move on to your second task. Read the sentences below. Match each sentence with one use of the present continuous. Okay, present continuous. Okay, remember dalam ayat present continuous dia ada ing. Okay, dalam verb dia. Okay. Alright. You are always interrupting me. Yang mana satu verb, perbuatan. Interrupting. Okay. Interrupting ni maksud dia mengganggu. So, you are always interrupting me. Kamu selalu kacau saya, mengganggu saya. So, which one is its use of the present continuous? Is it A, actions happening now, perbuatan yang berlaku sekarang? B, temporary situations, keadaan yang sementara? Future plans, rancangan untuk masa depan? Atau D, annoying habits, habits yang menjengkelkan, yang orang tak suka lah, annoying ni. Okay, you can look it up. It means benda yang orang tak suka, infuriating, exasperating, maddening, trying, tiresome, troublesome, bothersome, irksome, vexing. Okay, or is it E, changing and developing situations in the present, keadaan yang sedang berubah atau sedang berkembang. Okay, so which one is the answer for number 1? You write the number of these sentences in these brackets, okay? But yes, you must copy everything. Okay, salin dua-dua ni dalam buku. The numbered sentences and also the alphabetical sentences. Kedua-dua ni kena salin, Alright, so those are your 2 tasks. Boleh rujuk jadual ni kalau nak tahu apa maksud simple present, present simple, apa maksud present continuous. I just don't remember it anymore. Well, great news, you've got a schedule or a timetable that you can refer to, or just a table. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next part. This is called stative verbs. Now, what does it mean by stative verbs? Stative verbs ni ialah bahagian kita yang seterusnya. So, apa maksud dia? Dekat sini kita ada maksud dia, definition. Maksud dia dalam bahasa Melayu ialah maksud. Okay, verbs that express a state rather than an action. Okay, verb ni ialah kata kerja kan? Tapi apa maksud stative verbs? Stative verbs maksud dia kata kerja yang menunjukkan keadaan berbanding perbuatan. Biasanya bila kita cakap pasal verb, mesti pasal perbuatan. Kita makan, minum, berdiri, berjalan, bercakap. We talk, we drink, we eat, we move, we dance. So, those are all actions. Itu semua perbuatan. Tapi bila kita cakap pasal stative verbs, when we talk about stative verbs, it's more to the state rather than the action. Ini lebih kepada keadaan, bukan perbuatan. Okay, they usually relate to thoughts, emotions, relationships, senses, states of being and measurements. Okay, biasanya dia berkaitan dengan pemikiran kita, emosi kita, perhubungan, deria, keadaan dan juga ukuran. Okay, contoh stative verbs, maknanya contoh perkataan yang dipakai when we are using stative verbs are like be, have, like, seem, prefer, understand, belong, doubt, hate, know, adore. You can read everything, all of this on your own, but I just really want to show you the definition of it real quick. Okay, if you look at here, kamu boleh tengok stative verbs. So, describe a state rather than an action. They aren't usually used in the present continuous form. Okay, dia cakap lah kalau stative verb ni kita memang gambarkan situasi atau keadaan. Diorang biasanya tak dipakai dalam present continuous, berlaku sekarang dan berterusan kan. Okay, so contohnya dekat sini dia bagi contoh dia. Kalau kamu tengok page ni, it's really helpful. Okay, dia ada bagi contoh thoughts and opinions, pendapat dan pemikiran. feelings and emotions, senses and perceptions, and possession and measurement. Okay, kalau kamu scroll lagi ke bawah, kamu dapat tengok dia punya contoh. Okay, have kat sini. Have ni ialah verb juga, tapi verb stative. Biasanya have ni perbuatan, biasanya have ni kita nak cakap saya ada buku, saya ada semuanya benda kan. Tapi itu sebenarnya ialah verb, stative verb. Okay, so that's that. Let's get back to our presentation. Now, some verbs can be both stative and action verbs, but with a different meaning. How does the meaning of think change in the sentences below? Okay, dia cakap sesetengah verbs boleh jadi kedua-duanya. Dia boleh jadi stative dan juga action. Tapi maksud dia berbeza. Okay, macam mana perkataan think dalam ayat ni dekat bawah ni berubah? Macam mana berbeza maksud dia? So let's check out the first one. They think that having a lot of children is fantastic. They are thinking of moving house this year. Okay, tengok. Yang ni, think bermaksud mereka fikir ada anak ramai tu suatu perkara yang menakjubkan. Okay, they think that having a lot of children is fantastic. It's something that they do with their mind. Dia berfikir, dia punya thoughts. Okay, but look at this one. They are thinking of moving house this year. Mereka berfikir untuk berpindah rumah tahun ni. Okay, so these two are different. In this part, we can see it as the stative verb. Dekat sini kita boleh nampak perkataan think ni digunakan sebagai stative verb. Dekat sini ianya perbuatan action verb, because they are thinking of moving house this year. They are doing it. They think about it, they will do it. Okay, and this one they think about it instead of doing something about it. Okay, now this is your assignment. You are to copy and complete exercise F and exercise G in your textbook, page 9. You can also continue to the next slide of this presentation for the screenshot of it. Okay, so untuk tugasan kamu akan lengkapkan exercise F dan exercise G dalam textbook kamu, muka surat 9. Kalau tak ada textbook, boleh tengok slide seterusnya presentation ni for the screenshot of it. Okay, this is the 9th page of your close-up book. Alright, exercise F. Please copy all of the questions. Salin ya semua soalan ni, because I really want to see it. And then the G, complete the text with the correct present simple or present continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, lengkapkan teks ni menggunakan present simple atau present continuous form verbs in brackets. Okay, dalam kurungan ni nampak kan? Think, have, be, not, / no. Okay, be ni bila ada perkataan be, kita kena ingat be stands for apa? Is, am, are. Okay, so jangan ingat dia be ni tak ada maksud dia. It can also be being or been, right? You can refer to your brother or sister's textbook if they are in form 1 or 2 in the second last page. Alright, so best of luck everybody. Thank you so much for joining this lesson. If you have any questions, go ahead and text me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. Use your reading comprehension book.